Alright kids, let's enjoy this new story. The name of the story is Tortoise and the Eagle. There lived a tortoise in a pond in the jungle. He was very sad about himself as he always had to crawl slowly. He always wondered it would be very interesting to fly like the birds and see many places. He always requested birds who came near the pond to teach him to fly. The birds always said, "Be contented with what you have. God has created you to live in water and land. We were not gifted like you, but we don't complain about it." The tortoise still wanted to fly. He was ready to do anything to fly. One day, an eagle took pity on the tortoise and said, "I cannot teach you to fly, but I can lift you in my talons and take you around." The tortoise was overjoyed to hear this. He thanked the eagle and promised the eagle that he would give the eagle a lot of money. The eagle agreed and took the tortoise in its talons and soared up in the sky. The tortoise was very happy to see the world from above. When he saw his friend tortoises on the ground, he asked the eagle to take him below. The tortoise wanted to show off in front of other tortoises. The eagle thought, "What a foolish and vain tortoise! I can drop him to the ground any time, and yet he wants to show off." Finally, the eagle placed him on the banks of the pond and demanded money that was promised. The tortoise dived into the pond and disappeared. The eagle waited for long and went away. The eagle knew that he was cheated by the tortoise. Another day, the eagle saw the tortoise near the pond and asked him, "Don't you want to fly again?" The tortoise thought the eagle had forgotten his earlier trick and said, "Oh, thank you. I would love to fly again." The eagle took the tortoise in his talons and soared high. When he was quite high, the eagle let off the tortoise from the sky. The tortoise tumbled through the air and fell with a thud on his shell on the ground. The tortoise was in great pain. He, however, escaped only because of his hard shell. He thanked God for giving him a thick shell. The tortoise now learned his lesson and was thankful to God for what he was. Moral of the story is, never give false promises. Aim high, but be content with what you have. Alright children, bye bye.